Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an amazing unboxing video. Thank you very much. We did reach 1,000,000 subscribers. This here is all the prizes that I'll be giving away. I'll be giving away here to 100 people. I have reached out to a bunch of companies and they have decided to sponsor these giveaways. So this hair is from Sensational. Thank you very much to Sensational for giving me this hair. And this box right here is from Beauty Exchange. Thank you very much to Beauty Exchange. I'm gonna start with the Beauty Exchange box, then we'll open the Sensational one. Let's go. Oh, I also have more hair to show you. I just don't want my video to be longer. I do have another company who agreed to give me some hair, so that'll be a separate unboxing video. And one question that I see a lot when I show hair that I'll be giving away, people are asking, what do I have to do for the giveaway? Well, there is no giveaway yet. I'm just showing you the hair. So all you need to do now is just wait for the giveaway video. Now I'm just showing you what I'll be giving away. You don't have to do anything yet. Okay, let's see what we have here. Epic Water Wave. Let's see, it looks like it's human hair. It doesn't say it. Let's see if it says. Okay, it feels like human hair, so it's not human hair, but it feels like it. Okay, this is some crochet hair. Very, very nice and soft. Okay, and it says it's tangle free, and it comes with loop. Very nice. Thank you very much to Beauty Exchange. Let's see, I have probably 10 packs of it. And then they sent this. I think these are just samples. I'm gonna have to ask them if they're sending more. There's no way. Let's see. Okay, 3 packs of this. So this is enough for one head. So this is fine. Thank you very much to Beauty Exchange. I won't be opening this hair because I've used it before. This is some beautiful hair. So stay tuned for that. I'll be putting this on the side. And let's take a look at what else is. Oh, okay. These are some box braid, crochet box braid. Okay. Okay, those are some crochet box braid from Beauty Exchange. Thank you very much. Okay, these are very light and the ends are very natural. Thank you very much to Beauty Exchange. Let's see what else I have. They sent different type of hair, so I have to go a little faster. This is another Epic Crow Ocean Wave. The other texture was Water Wave, and this is Ocean Wave. Okay, and it comes with the loop too. Very nice. Let's see. I think that's it. They sent me a bunch of they sent me different hair, just a smaller box. So let's see, 1, 2. Okay, so this box has enough hair for 5 people. Thank you very much to Beauty Exchange. I'll put this on the side and I'll be packing everything. Once I have enough hair for 100 people, that's when the giveaway will start. I need to make sure I have enough hair for everybody. Now let's check what Sensational sent us. Okay. Sensational sent us what we've been using for the last 2 months, I believe. You know, the beautiful hair I've been using, the recent. Let's see what they say here. Oh, they make it simple for me. They sent me the wet curly, the water wave, the disco curl, and wet curly, water wave disco curl. So they said water wave twice. Let me make sure. Water wave 18-inch twice. Okay, so we have water wave, disco curl, and wet curly. I've used all those three already, and this is what we're talking about. I love the water wave. I've done it on this channel already. I think I'm just gonna link videos of these here. Thank you very much to Sensational. And remember guys, this hair can be purchased at shopfieldbeauty.com. Oh, see, I'm gonna make sure I link all three videos there. This is very nice. Thank you very much to Sensational. I've used these already and I love them. Beautiful texture, easy to use. Now let's see what the other box has. Oops, sorry. I need to hurry up because I have another unboxing video to do. I'm trying not to make this one 10 minutes. 10 minutes long. Let's see what we have here. Okay, okay, Sensational. I see you. Ooh. Beach curl. I haven't used beach curl yet. I don't think Feel Beauty sent me beach curl. I'm not sure. I haven't used beach curl yet. This Lulu Tress collection came with a bunch of curl pattern. I haven't used beach curl yet. Let's see what else I have. Bohemian 18-inch. I haven't used Bohemian yet. Then this is beach curl. Okay. Oh, they're sending a lot of Bohemian. I haven't used this yet. So stay tuned for the... Ooh. Oh. Corkscrew. Hopefully I'm saying it right. I haven't used this pattern yet. This is beautiful. Thank you, Sensational. I haven't used this one yet. This is curlier than water wave. Ooh, 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 okay. Bohemian. Okay, I think whatever it's in this box, I haven't used these yet. I've used a bunch of curl pattern, but not these. Dip twist. No, I haven't used. Oh, but that thing comes in there a lot of texture. Let me check. Because I've used about 4 curl pattern already. How come I haven't used none of these? Okay. I've done ocean wave. I've done water wave. I've done wet curly. Island twist. I've done island twist. That's the one I keep calling water wave. I've done island twist. I've done disco curl. I've done deep wave. I haven't done these 3. The corkscrew, and Bohemian, and beach curl. And I swear one of them says dip twist here. So this dip twist is not even listed there, is it? Oh, the reason they don't list it because this is actually dip twist. So this is dip twist, so it won't be listed here. I haven't done dip twist and those 3. So the Lulu Tress collection comes in 6, 9, 10 different curl patterns. So far I've done 6. I haven't done 4. So stay tuned for that. This is their dip twist. This is beautiful and it's ombre. This is a lot of hair. Thank you very much for Sensational. Thank you, thank you. Oh yeah. Yes, I've used Ocean Wave. And like I said already, I'm gonna make sure I link what I've used already so you can have an idea on how the hair looks like when you're picking, so you can actually pick the hair that you want. If you're used to my giveaway, you know exactly what I'm talking about, but this video is just showing you what's about to come And thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for subscribing to us. I've been uploading on YouTube since for 3 years now. I have the channel since 2010, but I've been uploading for 3 years, and in 3 years 1 million subscribers is a lot. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. I won't be keeping none of this. All this here is for you. Stay tuned. Thank you very much. And I'm also making sure I link all the hair in the info box in case you don't want to wait. And I'm telling you, 1 million people we're giving hair to 100. Some people will always not end up winning, and I cannot help it. So in case you know you won't win, I'll make sure I link the hair in the info box. If you want, you can purchase it, or you just wait after the giveaway. When you realize that you didn't win, you can just buy the hair. Thank you very much.